Money transaction. Hi, I have a savings account in your bank.
Yes, how can I help you?
I made a transaction yesterday. Transferred an amount from my account to my friend's. The money has been debited, but that is not showing in the system. Neither has my friend received the money. Can you please let me know what the issue is?
Just a moment, sir. Can you please tell me your account number?
Yes, it's 62600100
Mr. Goyal, right?
Yes.
Yes, I see a transaction made at 5:24 p.m. yesterday, but it failed. I think there happens to be a server issue. The money would be sent back to your account within the next 3 working days.
Are you sure?
Yes, don't worry, sir. You will get back the money.
Please like, share and subscribe for more conversational videos.